Dene, Surname Meaning and History, presented by coadb.com. Surname meaning: it is an English topographic name from the Middle English word Dene, or Old English word denu, meaning valley, or a habitational name denoting someone from any of the several places in various parts of England named Dean. It can also be an English nickname or occupational name for a servant of a dean, or a nickname for someone thought to resemble a dean. A dean was an ecclesiastical official, the head of a chapter of canons, or a church official with jurisdiction over a subdivision of an archdeaconry. It can also be a Scottish habitational name denoting someone from Dene in Kildrummy in County Aberdeenshire, or Dean in Kilmarnock in County Ayrshire. And then lastly, it can also be an Irish Anglicized form of the Gaelic name meaning son of the deacon. It is especially found in County Donegal. Early bearers included Ralph de Dene of England in 1086, Thomas de Dene in Hertfordshire in 1273, Jacob in Kent in 1273, and Joanna, William, and John del Dene, or Dene, in Yorkshire, England in 1379. Knighthoods included Sir Aulrood de Dene, who died in 1256, Sir Charles Dene, a major, in 1837, Sir John Dene of Essex, knighted in 1603, Sir James Dean of London in 1604, Sir Drew Dean of Dines Hall in Essex in 1627, Sir Richard Dean, Lord Mayor of London, knighted in 1629, Sir Anthony Dean, a naval architect, knighted in 1675, Sir Thomas Dean, Sheriff of Cork and an architect, knighted in 1839, Sir James Parker Dean in 1885, and Sir Thomas Newenham Dean, an architect, knighted in 1890. Noble titles held included the Dean Baronetcy of Muskerry in the county of Cork. It was created in the Baronetage of Ireland in 1710 for Sir Matthew Dean. His grandson, the third Baronet, sat as a member of the Irish House of Commons for Cork. Baron Muskerry is a title in the Peerage of Ireland created in 1781 for Sir Robert Dean, the sixth Baronet, who had previously represented County Cork in the Irish House of Commons. And here we see the family estate. Landed gentry included Dean of Berkeley Forest in County Wexford, Ireland, Dean of the Boyce Court in County Gloucester, England, and Dean of Glendarig in County Wicklow, Ireland. Notables included Richard Dean, an Englishman who supported the parliamentarian cause in the War of the Three Kingdoms. He was general at sea, major general and one of the regicides of King Charles I. Silas Dean, born 1738, an American merchant, politician, and diplomat and supporter of American independence. Julia Dean was an American actress who made her debut in New York at the age of 16. James Dean, born 1931, was an American actor. He's remembered as a cultural icon of teenage disillusionment and social estrangement. Jimmy Ray Dean, born 1928, was an American country music singer, television host, actor, and businessman. Early settlers included Stephen Dean in Massachusetts in 1621, Thomas Dean in 1635, John Dean the same year, Walter Dean in 1637, and John Dean in 1645. Edward Dean came to Maryland in 1652, Samuel Dean came to New Hampshire in 1653, and Nicholas Dean came to Virginia in 1654. And if you enjoyed this video, please visit us at coadb.com, where we offer genealogy research, link in the description. Thank you very much.